resting again. There you go. Okay, it's in his mouth. Don't so you know what to do. Chew it. Oh, look at him. Did you like that? I gotta get little pieces. What do you think? Okay, it's coming. Okay, open up again. Well, he can only have little pieces. It's hard to do with the tweezers. Here you go. Oh, shoot. Well, you'll have that as a snack. That was a big piece. Hang in there. It's a hungry little bird. Chew it or whatever. Oh, it's pooping.
Of course it's pooping.
Oh, jeez, that's a big one. For a baby.
You want more?
I'm working on it. Okay, pooper. Now you're getting yourself tangled in your nest.
No, you're there.
He was busy pooping. Oh, you're not climbing out of your nest. Not to do. Put your head back. Now you got the branch in your eye. I'm working on it.
The left one's not there. You can't see. You get touch.
Oh, Piglet. I'm holding the nest and I'm trying to chop his food.
I don't have to chop it.
These are big pieces.
Fit.
That'll fit. So I should just choke the bird. Oh, gee, see? Oh, my Lord. Yeah, that was just too big. He shouldn't be opening his mouth with how much I'm feeding him.
Yeah, put the near his mouth.
Well, he needs to digest a little bit, you know. Smacking his gums. Look at his tongue. He did it. I didn't. Got branch in your mouth. Go on. Get it out. Oh, it's on his there. Don't fall out. You should sleep well now. Okay, that's all there is.
Okay.